Alright everyone, so we arrived here at Vlogzz garage. Hopefully we get this pump installed. Of course after that will be a dyno, but not today. But I'm definitely looking forward to this. We're here at Vlogzz garage, and here's Luis Ortiz from Ortiz Performance.
Yeah.
So what's going on, bro? What's going on today?
We got that turbo 3 valve on the dyno.
I saw that.
We did some dyno pulls and we actually dialed down the boost.
Yeah.
Right? It peaks at 6 psi, but then it tapers down to 4 pounds. And here's the weird thing, is that before when he came here, he was having fuel pressure problems. And at first the car was over boosting, the wastegate was hooked up incorrectly and all that stuff.
Yeah.
So we hooked everything properly. We got a vacuum box and everything, so that all the lines and everything are independent from everything else, you know, and everything is sourced through that vacuum box.
Yeah.
So we fixed all that, and we actually dialed down, not dialed down, but we removed the boost controller and everything, and we're just running straight off the gate. And I believe the wastegate is about 6 pounds of boost, but after the intercooler and everything, because the way that the line is hooked up is hooked out to the turbo outlet instead of the manifold.
Yeah.
So even though the wastegate says 6 psi, it'll peak there, but it'll start tapering down to about 4 pounds.
Mm-hmm.
And even at 4 pounds, the fuel pump is maxed out.
Yeah.
So I'm not sure if they sold him a Chinese pump.
Could have been.
Or something. I don't fucking
Maybe
know,
eBay.
Yeah, something. So his pressure dips down to about 13 psi when it should be a constant 40 pounds.
Yeah.
So we're gonna remove that one here in a bit. We did as much as we can. Mark is gonna go ahead and take care of the pump. And then Hooney, he's about to get into the rollers once everything is done.
Yeah.
And then
which Mustang is that?
Huh?
Which Mustang is that?
The red one.
The red. Oh, okay, the one that was outside. S197.
Yeah, we're hoping for some big numbers naturally aspirated. That car beats Hellcats and everything naturally on motor.
Oh shit, that's
yeah,
crazy.
so he's pretty quick. So
That's crazy, man.
We'll see what she makes on the dyno, and we'll go from there.
Yeah. You see, that's the goal with me and the 3.7 is to beat V8s, but like highest horsepower V8s.
Yep.
I know it seems impossible a little bit right now, but I mean, I want to eventually get there and be kind of one of the first V6s here in the valley to be that fast. So
exactly.
hopefully we'll be able to work on that. Well, Mark has the, I brought him the fuel pump and the fuel pump kit. Hopefully we'll be installing that today. I'm not sure because he's kind of busy, but I mean, it'd be pretty cool if we get to do that today. So stay tuned, guys. This one was recently dynoed. I just don't know how much it made. So, but yeah, this one was recently dynoed. It's coming off the dyno, and they're going to dyno that one right there, and that one I think is an A. So that's gonna be interesting to see the dyno numbers on that S197 right there. And this one is Nafa's. This car is always looking pretty clean as well. That's a boss intake. Pretty clean. It's very nice, very, you know, tastefully modded. So that one's gonna go park that way, and then this one is going on the rollers right now. So this one is all motor Coyote, so that's gonna be kind of crazy to see what numbers it makes. That one right there is Mark's again. So what are you doing today on this one, bro? Dynoing it. What are the plans?
We're gonna try and get the most out of the entire setup.
Cool.
And variable cam timing, spark. Well, spark is already locked as it is. A matter of getting the VCT dialed in.
Yeah. That is loud, guys. Really loud.
Yeah, like
Here we have a wide body S550. Check it out. I haven't seen one of these in person, but you know, this is in person. It looks pretty cool. Definitely sets it apart from, you know, like the regular S550s due to the wide body. So it's pretty cool S550 right there.